Today we're gonna make tuna kebab with vegetables. Salaamu calaykum, magacayga waa Sudie, kusoo dhawaada Sudie cookbook. You peel the potatoes and you boil until it gets soft and you save for later. First, we're gonna prep the food. Prep everything up and get ready for the kebab. We have it here, cilantro, garlic, and carrot. You put the blender, all of it. After you're done, this is how she looks. You blend everything. You put the tuna in the strainer. Make sure that you get it out all the juice in the oil. The tuna should look like you have a tbsp season right here. And salt and cumin season. You have a pepper, chili powder, and tarmac season. Dump all the spices to one bowl. You're gonna stir it really good. The potatoes and the seasons, all the seasoning. Put it everything in a one bowl. You have onion with the white onions. You put it everything, all one bowl, all the veggie. And you put the tuna. Here is the tuna. You put it flour, 3 full spoons. I have the egg, the yellow part. You just put the yellow part, not the white thing. Make sure that you wash your hands. The best way to mix it really good is to wash your hands so you know mix it really good. You mix really good, you wash your hands and then you mix it like this, really good. You have egg, the white part, and you have bread, the crunchy bread, and you have the oil right here. You put medium, low. When you do this, and there's nothing is falling. All is one. That means it's perfect. You put it the bread, just like that. You don't need too much. You put the eggs, the white part eggs. We're cooking. You just do this, the other side. Just flip it the other side. That's how you make tuna vegetable kebab. It's easy and delicious.